In today's fast-changing regulatory environment, organizations must navigate complex rules while reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting renewable energy. EcoBridge is the ultimate compliance solution, an intelligent, AI-powered platform designed to help businesses seamlessly adhere to evolving standards. EcoBridge offers unparalleled reliability and efficiency in managing both state and federal regulations. With compliance violations carrying heavy penalties, EcoBridge ensures organizations stay ahead, proactively, efficiently, and with full transparency. Built on the SAP Business Technology Platform using the Clean Core paradigm, EcoBridge integrates seamlessly with the SAP Commodity Management Solution. Its loosely coupled architecture strikes the right balance between flexibility and interoperability. This solution leverages the standard SAP inventory management process for tracking inventory position and valuation of credit. This innovative solution prioritizes a user-centric approach, with user interfaces designed on SAP Fiori, ensuring a consistent experience for business users as they navigate across SAP standard solutions. The EcoBridge platform is built as a comprehensive compliance solution, with the initial release focusing on addressing the complex regulatory requirements of the low-carbon fuel intensity regulation for California, Washington, and Oregon. The solution will be further expanded to accommodate future state regulations and will be continuously updated to support regulatory changes. The Low Carbon Fuel Standard, LCFS, is a state-level regulation aimed at reducing the carbon intensity, CI, of transportation fuels. In LCFS program, the target carbon intensity is maintained for gasoline and diesel. The renewable fuels are mapped to diesel and gasoline to determine the target carbon intensity. Actual carbon intensity, CI, of a renewable fuel is determined by calculating the life cycle greenhouse gas emissions associated with the production, transportation, and use of that fuel, taking into account the pathway code, fuel pathway code and physical pathway code made possible through the configurations apps. The LCFS landing page acts as a command center, offering analysts a clear, real-time view of critical updates, from pending orders to failed transactions, allowing for swift action and operational efficiency. From this command center, analysts can navigate to various stages of the solution such as credit, deficit, retirement, and reports of various LCFS state regulations, namely California, Oregon, and Washington. Each tile contains valuable insights crucial to an analyst's daily tasks and can be customized for individual needs. EcoBridge's Credit Console simplifies the tracking of LCFS credits at every stage, from acquisition to disposition, while offering many filtering choices by bill of lading, product transfer document, order ID, and EPA ID for a fully customized experience. Seamless integration with SAP S/4HANA and SAP Commodity Management ensures continuity across procure-to-pay and order-to-cash workflows, optimizing material management and inventory valuation. The Credit Console offers analysts to view the credits, product transfer document and match group representing reconciled trades. The console supports the monitoring of credits across the LCFS program in various states and represented in EcoBridge as regulation type, allowing analysts to effortlessly navigate from one to another. The credit transactions shown on console are created when a contract is executed in SAP S/4HANA, retaining complete document trail for full traceability. The console allows a data to be filtered using a wide array of attributes, thus enabling analysts to extract different granularity of data. Upon selecting a record, allowed actions are visible that are necessary to transition the credit record through its life cycle. The manual adjustment feature of the solution also allows free credits to be created manually via direct entry or make adjustments to credit when there is quantity mismatch due to variance in carbon intensity between contract and actual carbon intensity values. This console allows analysts to mass upload product transfer documents received from counterparty which are validated and created as a record. This upload functionality allows to create new PTD records or modify existing records. The console also allows analysts to manually create PTD record, and user can provide the required values to create a new record. An existing individual record can be updated using the modify action. The match group function essentially is a reconciliation of credit open trade with product transfer document on credit quantities before adding to inventory. This console segregates match group that are auto-matched and balanced from the groups that have a mismatch. The match group contains reconciled credit and PTD records. This function supports many-to-many relationship between the credit and PTD records. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, EcoBridge automates invoice reconciliation with LCFS transaction records, accelerating payment processing while reducing administrative overhead. The console supports the monitoring of deficits across the LCFS program in various states and represented in EcoBridge as regulation type, allowing analysts to effortlessly navigate from one to another. The deficit transactions shown on console are created when production or purchase or sale transaction is recorded in SAP S/4HANA, retaining complete trail of business documents. The obligation quantity are calculated based on carbon intensity of fuel group. The manual adjustment feature of the solution allows mass upload or creation of individual deficit records for any corrections when needed. In the retirement console, analysts can retire credits and deficits from inventory, demonstrating full compliance with low-carbon fuel standard. A detailed audit history ensures complete transparency, making future audits effortless. The credit and deficit console of EcoBridge allows all individual transaction records to be filtered and extracted in many possible ways. In addition, EcoBridge LCFS solution offers few reports out of the box. This reports allows analysts to upload the production or trade plans for gasoline and diesel materials to forecast obligation quantity. The regulatory report aggregates the data in LRT format to be downloaded for quarterly submission for across each regulation type. The deficit inventory report presents the forecast obligated quantity against the actual obligated quantity for each plant to better estimate the credit requirements. The CI validation report analyzes the expected quantity of credit from each contract against the actual credit received in inventory and calculates the variance using the expected CI from contract and the actual CI from PTD. EcoBridge is built to be driven by business rules, making the framework flexible and adaptable to new regulations. As regulations evolve, EcoBridge empowers businesses to stay compliant, mitigate risks, and accelerate digital transformation, all through a highly scalable, AI-driven platform.